creating a classic favourite using the versatile strawberry that grows so well in our WA climate. The matchstick is such a tasty treat in the spring-summer months and so easy to create while still giving you that wow factor. We're going to start with the pastry. This is a puff pastry and we just want to cut it into eighths. So I've got a lined baking tray here. So we've got our baking paper and a slightly lighter tray. Put this in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So with the strawberries, we just want to take off the green tops. I've got some amazing vinocotto from the Swan Valley region. Vinocotto is just a grape juice before it gets turned into wine. I've cut up the strawberries into fours and I'm going to lightly coat them with the vinocotto. Then I'm going to add native pepperberry, and this is just a great play on the old balsamic and pepper combo. Not too much, it's quite a powerful little hit and it's got a nice minty freshness to it as well. So mix these around. Love these strawberries and they've only come from 20 minutes away. Supporting local farmers is something I'm very passionate about, and it's a great way to learn the seasonality of your produce. So now we're going to get the cream ready. I like to use a chantilly cream for this recipe. It just keeps it a bit thicker and holds a bit stronger for you. We've added about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and about half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. So that's nice. It's giving you the nice sort of thickness, and we can start to prepare our matchsticks. You don't want to prepare your matchsticks too early because they will lose that crunch in the pastry. So leave it to as close to the time that you want to serve it as possible. So I've pre-prepared some pastries just so they're nice and cool when we go to put them together. So just be as generous as you like. I've got a little homemade jam here. So we'll pop the macerated strawberries on first. You might find that they're a little bit big, so we'll cut them into little quarters and just do zigzags with them. Just a touch, just to bring the real sweet factor. If you really want to, you can put some more cream on there. Oh, yeah, let's do it. And then finish with another layer and some icing sugar. And we'll just layer these up.